Dashboard lights serve as your vehicle's communication system, alerting you to various conditions and potential problems. When these lights malfunction, proper diagnosis is essential to identify the root cause. Modern vehicles have numerous dashboard warning lights, each serving a specific purpose. When these lights themselves malfunction, it can mask important vehicle issues or create false alarms. Dashboard light problems fall into three main categories: flickering lights that turn on and off intermittently, dim lights with reduced brightness, and completely non-functional lights that don't work at all. Flickering dashboard lights typically result from electrical connection problems. Loose connections, failing alternators, corroded grounds, short circuits, and aging wiring can all cause intermittent power delivery to the dashboard. Dim dashboard lights often indicate voltage or control issues. A malfunctioning dimmer switch, low system voltage, aging LED components, or dirty connections can all reduce the brightness of dashboard illumination. Complete dashboard light failure indicates major electrical problems. Blown fuses are the most common cause, but failed instrument clusters, broken wiring, or faulty body control modules can also cause total blackouts. Proper diagnosis starts with basic electrical testing. Check battery voltage first. It should read 12.6 volts with the engine off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. Also inspect ground connections and test alternator output. Modern vehicles increasingly experience dashboard light issues caused by software problems rather than hardware failures. These require diagnostic tools and software updates to resolve, making professional diagnosis more important than ever. Dashboard light problems can often be resolved through simple reset procedures. We'll cover two main methods: standard reset and advanced electronic system reset. The standard reset method works for most basic dashboard light issues. This five-step process can clear temporary glitches and restore normal operation. For advanced electronic systems that don't respond to the standard reset, a battery disconnect procedure is more effective. This method clears all electronic memory and forces a complete system restart. If dashboard light problems persist after these reset procedures, it's time to consult a professional. Modern vehicles have complex electronic systems that require specialized diagnostic equipment. Prevention is always better than repair. Follow these maintenance tips to avoid dashboard light problems. Keep battery terminals clean and tight. Address electrical issues promptly, and use quality replacement parts when needed. Remember, try the standard reset first, use the battery disconnect method for stubborn issues, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Regular maintenance prevents most dashboard light problems.